Hi traders, Bharat here. Welcome to my channel Trade with Bharat. So let's start analyzing Nifty. So Nifty closed yesterday at 11,256 and it opened at 11,282, a slight positive start of 26.2 points. And based on the open, we could say the market will be a flat market and we have to wait for either sellers or buyers to come and take it in a particular direction. So today high is 11,291 and low 11,103. Range of 183 points. Sellers were active in the beginning. First, you can say 1 hour, and maybe between 145 to maybe 215 or 230. So buyers tried to push the market on the higher side, but they were not able to push it much higher. Here, the lot of sellers were there. Yesterday, low acted as kind of a resistance for the buyers. They could not push it on the higher side. Okay, so I had given a level 11,225. Below that, a lot of pressure will be there to push the market on the lower side from the sellers. If you see, the most of the activity happened on the below that only, below this 11,225. So based on the Nifty structure, we can say it is a neutral market. So we'll have to wait tomorrow to see where the market will open, and then we can decide like which way to trade. Anything above 11,255 will be good. It will move on the higher side. Anything below 11,122, market can start going down further. Okay, so let's switch to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty closed at 21,391 yesterday, and it opened at 21,389. A flat start. So based on the open, we can see the market will consolidate further, and then it will move in a particular direction. So today high is 21,516 and low 20,967. A solid range of like 579. So if you see, sellers were pretty active here and also here. Buyers did not do much and decent job today in Bank Nifty. Sellers controlled most of the time. So I had stated that if anything, Bank Nifty starts trading below 21,288, it will go down further. So first one attempt was made after 12 o'clock. Nothing much happened. And later on, I think around just before 2 o'clock, it started moving. It came down much lower side. So tomorrow we can watch 21,428. Anything above that, it will be good for the buyers, and anything below 21,045, it will be good for the sellers. They can push the market down easily. Okay, so based on the closing price, we can say slightly sellers are having upper hand, and it will be easy for them to push if the market opens somewhere here. If market opens somewhere here, both buyers and sellers will start fighting to push the market in the one direction. So based on the market open tomorrow, we can decide which side to trade. So let's go to the second section, that is reviewing the call shared on Telegram channel. First, let's start with NTPC. NTPC was a sell call, sell at 87.2. Sell was triggered and market went down much lower. But as per our exit strategy, our trailing stop loss would have been hit somewhere here, and it is almost like maybe 10-20 paisa gain. That's it in the NTPC. Second trade, UPL. UPL also was a sell call around 121.7. Immediate sell was triggered, but a decent price we got, like not much. And next, if you go for M&M also, a sell call was triggered, and we did not gain much here. So if you review exactly what happened, NTPC is almost zero, or maybe slight 10 paisa. I have kept it as zero. M&M minus 5 rupees. Even though it went down, But as per our exit strategy, our trailing stop loss would have been hit at -5. We have lost 5 points. UPL maybe a maximum gain of 2 rupees. So overall, it's like almost close to zero or -40 rupees. Okay, let's check which stocks to trade for tomorrow. First stock is which I've shortlisted as Cipla. Cipla is today it started trading in a range bound market, and it closed very neutral. So if market starts moving on the higher side, anything above this, it will be good. If market is weak and it starts moving anything below this, it will go down further. Okay. Second stock which I've shortlisted is BPCL. BPCL also had a flat market, nothing much, and it closed very neutral. Both buyers and sellers were present today, so it's a neutral close. We'll see like how the market trades tomorrow. So based on that, we can take the trade in one particular direction. And next, third stock which I've shortlisted is Reliance. Reliance also first initially it came down, then started trading in a range, and it's a kind of little sellers are having upper hand. If in case if market starts trading above this level, whoever sold here in this particular region, they will start covering, and this stock can go up. And in case of market opens lower, the weakness can continue, and it can go on the lower side. So that's it from my side. Thanks for watching. Bye.